Hi, this is to show a Robo Legend event activities. How is it being played? So we have this robot that is constructed in such a format. Okay, so at the starting point itself, the player will be given a sheet. Okay, so there will be some challenges. So on challenge one, right, they are supposed to use the line follower sensor to detect the black line, and the robot will move along the black line. But the connection is wrong. So by reading the codes, all right, to identify which is the port that it should be actually connected to. Okay, so this is show port 1, but on the robot itself, it's actually connected to port 3. So the player will just need to so-called understand the code, change it to connect to the correct port number 1. Okay, so once it's slotted in, switch on. So the robot will start by itself and start moving and detecting the black line and move along. So once it's reached the break in the line itself, it will stop by itself, and then that is where they will start on challenge 2. So on challenge 2, it says that the track is broken. The robot must move forward to search for the next track to reach the next station. So they have to read the code and identify what to press next. So in the code itself, there's actually a button A and button B. A and B on the microbit itself, they have to read the code to understand what does it mean. So A is where the both motor will be moving at the same speed, so it will move forward. But for pressing of button B, the motor left will be moving at 30, motor right will be moving at negative 30, so it will go out of track. So the correct choice should be button A. Let's try button B. So pressing button B, it will go out of track. Right? But if, let's say, we press button A, it will actually move forward, will detect the next black line, and it will continue to move. So on this station itself, it will stop. That's when we use the remote control. This is another device by Highwonder called the HanderBit. It's a microbit to microbit controller. So by pressing a button that we pre-program, it will actually connect and then change it to a remote control mode. So on this mode itself, the user will actually use the remote control and move along the track. Okay, so before entering the arena itself, so on this arena itself, there are many different kind of games that you can play. One that we show here to make it a non-violent game. So you will just move forward, supposed to go and grab a cup using the remote, close it, okay, and then move it to the next point. Release, move backward, and then go back to the starting point again to finish the game. Or they could wait for the next player to come in, and then they do some kind of wrestling like sumo and push each other out of the arena. That's the end of the game.